We're going to show you how to replace this valance panel on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, you can get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the screws on the corners. Take those out. There's push pins holding this on. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get on top. Just pry that up. Just like that. Pull this down. Pry that down. Do the same on the rest of them. All right, there we go. Those are all loose, and it comes right down. Now you want to transfer the J-clips over. Just take a straight blade screwdriver underneath, and it slides right off. Go to the new one, slide it right in place. Do the same on the other side. Start with the bolts on the two sides. Get those started. Just to hold it up there. We'll do the same on the other side. Right, that's started. We're just going to hold this in place. Push the panel up. Push the push pin down. Once that's down, push the top in. You might need a little hammer just to give the panel give the push pin a tap, just like that. And just do the same with the other ones. Push it in, tap it down. Then take your 10mm socket, tighten those bolts down on the corners, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.